This is the replacement Woodstock Soapstone stove. Crated up pretty well. They should be good at that now. They've sold quite a few. And it came in a different crate then. It was more covered. Doesn't matter. Pretty cool. This is how I'm about to open it. Made a trade on that baby. Got a pretty good deal on it. Let's get to work. One way to skin a cat. Looks like we got some bands here next. Take care of them. Looks like I got some free kindling here. Very well done, man. Love the pack job here. It's pretty beautiful. Now this stove is not a complete stove. I need to take some parts off of my stove. I put it on this stove, but not much. Really, a lot less than I thought. I would have to take off, but I gotta get my soapstone in here somehow. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna get that in. It either has to go in through the top. Unfortunately, it looks like it's going to go in through the bottom. But I've got a long time to think about this. I'm not going to swap it out until the burning season's done. Let's see what they threw in here for me. I asked for a couple extra goodies. Let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. There's some little bit of paint I asked for, copper, to touch up my copper accents on my current stove. See what else is in here? Awesome. Made in America, baby. Right here. It's a quality ash pan. Unlike the crap you get at, I shouldn't trash talk anybody, but my ash pan I got at Tractor Supply, and it lasted about 2 years, and the handle falls apart. Some sort of crappy pot metal or something where the handle is. It's got a little, I don't know. I could show you. I did ask for a catalytic converter. I don't see that in here unless it's already installed. Yes, it is. Beautiful. Man, that is fantastic. There's a little smash on the catalytic converter. I'll have to straighten that out. Not the end of the world, but obviously you want your catalytic converter to work as good as it can. But very pleased with it. It's going to be interesting to see where that weld is. Right up in here, I feel a piece of metal. And I can compare to the first edition stove and see what's different. I can tell you right now, this just looks a little different from what I'm used to. This looks different. There's some sort of plate on there. I don't have that plate. See, that's got the tabs holding on. I don't have that. This is just a different design a little bit. Beautiful stoves, though. These are gorgeous. Very pleased with this company. Highly recommend the company. Excellent product. Made in America. The more I look at it, the more I like it. And it's strong. Here's the crappy one. They're supposed to have handles like that. For whatever reason, they unscrew. Oh, nice hiding spot, huh? This handle, for whatever reason, broke off right there. Looks like pot metal to me. And one of the other ones broke off at the threads right here, and I had to put a little JB weld in there to keep it on. Flimsy. We are about 5 minutes later. Anyway, I guess I'll get another video on this stove when I take it out and put the new one in. There are some differences. So I spoke to Woodstock and described the differences that I see, and the guy kind of explained it to me. So one difference is this plate in here underneath. I'm told that is to keep the flames from directly, I don't know, tear out the flames or something. I don't really understand it. I think what it does is it reflects the heat back down into the catalytic converter to probably make it more efficient. Not sure. The other change is, obviously there's a weld up here where it tore. But the bottom, I have a smooth piece of metal. And this firebox just looks a little smaller because I don't have this valley over here and here that fire brick sits down in. So I guess those are some of the new updates or alterations to the newer model here. So it's going to be fun. Shouldn't be too bad, really. Now that it's stripped down,